In this video, we'll tell you why you need a permit to the Pamirs, how to get it and where to carry it. Every year, the Pamir Mountains and Pamir Highway become more and more popular among those who want to see this remote and mysterious region. Let me remind you that the Pamirs are a mountain area located mainly on the territory of Tajikistan, China, Afghanistan and Pakistan. It is much more difficult to get to the Pamirs located on the territory of China, Afghanistan or Pakistan than to visit these mountains on the territory of Tajikistan, where it is also called Gorno-Badakhshan Autonomous Region or GBAO. Why do we need a permit here? This area is a specially protected section of the state border of Tajikistan. It happens so that the borders of China, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India joined small Tajikistan in this place. In Soviet times, a Soviet tourist was unlikely to get here, and foreigners had no chances at all. Nowadays, you have a great opportunity. However, you need a special permit, which is called a GBAO permit, being obligatory for all foreign citizens. It is not that difficult to get a permit. There are several options. First, you can get a permit at the embassy or consulate of Tajikistan in your country or abroad. You can find the list of embassies and consulates of Tajikistan together with their contact details in description to this video. To get a permit this way, you will need to provide a valid passport, some photos and pay the fee. Normally, it takes 1 to 7 days to issue a pass. The cost starts from $20 and up. For more information, please contact the Embassy of Tajikistan directly. The second option to get a permit is to come to the capital of Tajikistan, Dushanbe, and visit the migration service yourself. This is the cheapest and most reliable way, however, it will take you precious time. The address of the migration service is in description below this video. You can also contact any travel company in Dushanbe or just ask the reception desk of your hotel or the host of your guest house, and they will gladly assist you with this matter. You are most likely to pay an extra fee, but this will definitely save your time and allow you to spend it on sightseeing in the city of Dushanbe. The third option to get a permit, if your country is not on the list and therefore there is no embassy or consulate of Tajikistan in your area, you can get a permit to the Pamirs by submitting an online application on the official website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Tajikistan. In this case, the permit will be issued together with your visa. How to get to the Pamirs by land? Where is a permit to GBAO required? Check it out! Officially, you can enter the territory of Gorno-Badakhshan using 3 roads. Alas, there are no other ways there. Route number 1. The most frequently used road to the Pamirs is the road from Kyrgyzstan through the city of Osh and Saritash village. In fact, that is the place where the Pamir Highway starts. By the way, a permit can be also obtained in Kyrgyz city of Osh. Contact details are in description below this video. On this route, you will need to show the permit at Kızılar checkpoint after passing Kyrgyz border. Route number 2. You can drive to the Pamirs from Dushanbe. There are 2 options here. From Dushanbe through the village of Tavildara. You'll be asked for a permit at the border checkpoint when entering Kulaykum village. The second option from Dushanbe through the city of Kulab. You'll be asked for a permit at the exit of Shurabat village. In both cases, you'll be required to provide a permit at the border when entering and leaving the territory of Gorno-Badakhshan Autonomous Region. You may also be checked for the pass at the police posts through the territory of GBAO at the entrance and exit of such settlements as Murgab, Kalaykum, Karok, where the Pamir Highway passes. How does a permit look like? there are three types of permit. The first one is a paper document of 12 to 8 centimeters with your personal data, date of visit, route and seal. This type of permit is usually issued by the Migration Service of Tajikistan. A permit issued through the e-portal looks like this. There should be a GBAO permit stamp. I advise that you print it out and have a hard copy with you, as if you show your permit on your smartphone, the border guards or the police officers may have doubts. The third type of permit is a stamp in your passport. Such stamp passes are normally issued by embassies or consulates of Tajikistan abroad. A standard pass is usually issued for 1 month, and this is quite enough to get acquainted with the Pamirs and visit the main attractions. When passing the border checkpoints, please do not yield to any extortion and hints from the authorities, although such cases are extremely rare. True Pamir people will not ask for a thing, but on the contrary, they are very hospitable and always ready to help. If you have your passport and the GBAO permit, then Hushamadet, which means welcome, and Rahi Safat, which can be translated as bon voyage. If this information was useful for you, press like, and that will inspire us to release new videos for you. If you have something to add, please write a comment. We kindly ask to provide verified information only. If you want to get more information on interesting routes, useful tips to plan your route, get a motorcycle ready for a trip, repair your motorcycle and so on, anything you may find helpful when traveling through Central Asia, please write to us and subscribe to Motorstar TV channel.